Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Stopped at a garage sale this morning and ran across this little guy. Well, seeing as how I got a 12-inch disc sander, I needed some 12-inch discs. So I went to Harbor Freight and I got them for, let's see, how much? $6.35. Not a bad deal. So altogether, I've got $21.35 into a 12-inch sander. I could buy a new one in there for 79 bucks. Of course, it's a Harbor Freight. They're replacing the roof. Wiring and everything seems to be in order. Still needs to have the cable replaced. Well, I checked the wires and there's no bare wires, nothing showing. So I still need to replace the cord. The cord is in bad shape. The insulation is broken and it hasn't fallen off anywhere yet. It has bronze bushings. So it needs oil. Now let's see if it starts. Bearings appear to be okay. I'm going to clean it up before I put any sandpaper on it. But the sandpaper from Harbor Freight should do well enough to get me a good test. And now I have a 12-inch sander. I just have to change out that cord and clean it up a little bit. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.